How to make money with Serpclix and how much can you expect to make with Serpclix. In this video, I'll be breaking it down step by step. In case you don't know, Serpclix is a website that offers persons help with their SEO ranking. And the SEO ranking is very important if you want your website to be ranked higher in Google. Let's say, for example, you own a restaurant in New York and you have created a website. You would definitely want your website to be ranked very high in Google if someone should type in best restaurants in New York, as you would want them to find your website and tap on it and more than likely set up a booking or so on. You definitely don't want your website to be ranked on the 4th or 5th page, right? Because if you are ranked on the 4th or 5th page, more than likely you will not be getting any views and any potential customers. This is where Serpclix comes in. Serpclix now will provide you with the help to improve your search engine optimization by simply improving your click-through rate. So they provide clickers, which are real persons that will search for your website and, for example, search for best restaurants in New York, find your website and click on it. When Google sees this, they will rank your website higher, as they will see that persons are searching for your particular website and clicking on it and staying there. Now you have understand what the service that Serpclix provide. Now let me show you how you can start making money with them. You want to go onto serpclix.com, as you can see right here, and you're going to tap on the sign in button right at the top right here. And it will carry you to this page where you are going to enter your registration, which will be your email address, and you're going to create a password and you're going to put in your PayPal address, as at the moment you can only get paid via PayPal through Serpclix. And once you have done that, you'll be led to this page right here, and this will be your welcome page. And from here it's quite easy. All you'll need to do is simply go onto Google and you're going to search for Firefox, and you want to tap on download Firefox browser, as you can only use the Serpclix plugin on Firefox. So once you have downloaded Firefox and you have created on Serpclix, you can start getting work, and you can simply click on the work that they provide and you can start earning money. You can earn anywhere from 5 to 10 cents per click, and you will be able to do a withdrawal once it reaches $5. As you can see right here, if I should scroll down, how can I become a better clicker? This system works best for our buyers if our clickers pretend to be real users. So as I said earlier, you will simply search and you'll click on the link that they provide, and you'll navigate to the site, scroll down and up and click around until the tab is automatically closed. So all you'll need to do is download the Serpclix plugin and install it onto Firefox, and you'll be able to get work and you'll be able to start making money. It's as simple as that. And to maximize your earnings when it comes to Serpclix, I would recommend that you do their referral program. As with their referral program, you'll be able to earn a commission. As you can see here, you'll earn 10 cents for every dollar made by your friend. So if you can refer more persons, you'll be able to earn even more money. And who doesn't want to earn money to browse the internet? As that's all you'll be doing. Once you go onto Firefox, you can browse the internet and you'll be getting paid per click. This is definitely a quick and easy way to start making money. And it is not a big money that you would say, yes, you can quit your job or anything like that. But it is definitely a good side income that you can start using to do something else. It can definitely help with something. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.